Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to work with the TeleTrade Broker Dashboard. After logging into your account, by clicking on this option at the top, we can change the language of our account, and by clicking on this option, you will see options such as personal data, valid documents, files, change password to personal page, and change payment password. We enter personal data, and in this section you will see your personal information such as email address and mobile phone number, which can be changed by clicking on this option. You can change your phone number today by entering your email and verification code. You will also see information such as your first name, last name, middle name, as well as country, city, etc. In this section, click Support to choose section, title, and account. Then enter your message. Click Create Ticket to submit. To open a new account, choose Platform and Account Type to proceed. By selecting the section and title, along with your trading account, you can enter your message and click on Create Ticket to submit your request. Additionally, by clicking on Open New Account and choosing your platform and account type, you can proceed to reopen that account and set it up as needed. By clicking on this banner and selecting Refill Account and choosing your account, you can continue the process. You can click on Reopen Account and set up the desired account. By clicking on this banner and clicking on Refill Account and selecting your account, you can choose the desired network and top up your account. We will make a video about this soon. At the bottom of the page, you will see the accounts you have created, and by clicking on this option, you will enter the desired platform. And also by clicking on this option, you can view more detailed information about your account, such as balance, credit, free, margin, leverage. And by clicking on Deposit and selecting your account and the desired network, you can start depositing. We will make a video about this for you soon. And also in the Bejarwal section, by selecting your account and the Mandar Nazar network, you can start withdrawing. We will soon make a video about this for you. The next option is the transaction history. You can view transactions. Choose between all transactions, deposit and withdrawal. Exchange rates shows the exchange rates. By selecting your account, you can view your transaction history in this section, where you can choose between all transactions, deposit, and withdrawal. The next section is exchange rates, where you can see the exchange rates related to deposits and withdrawals. The next option is the bonuses option, where you can see the active bonuses. In the next section, there is the support section, where you select the question option, and you will see the duplicate questions in this section, which you should create the desired ticket for. You can do this by clicking on this option, and as we explained, by entering the desired ticket information. And by clicking on this option, you will establish direct contact with Sport TeleTrade, where you can choose your question or send it as a message in this section. The next option is simply the promotion option, where you can redeem the desired promotion by selecting the desired promotion and re-registering your account. In the trading section, we enter the trading terminal section, which enters the MT4 platform, and we will make a video about this soon. By selecting account history and your account in this section, you can view the history of your account in this section. In the MT Passport Recovery section, you can access your MT4 and MT5 accounts by clicking on Recover Investor Password and clicking on Receive Code. Enter the desired code in this section, and in addition to the new password, click on this option and change the desired password. By clicking on Recover Trader Password, you can change your trader password. And by clicking on this option, you disable the password recovery for your account. In the phone password section, you will be taken to the payment password section, which you can click on to set. By entering your phone password and clicking on Receive Code, you will receive a code that you can enter in this section to set the desired password. By clicking on the Change option, you can change your desired password. In the block trading section, you will see the permissions required for block trading, which you can enable by clicking on this option. And by clicking on Receive Code, you enter the desired code in this section. And by clicking on Block Trading, you block the desired trade. In the Tick Chart section, you enter the Tick Chart section. By clicking on this option, you enter the tick chart by selecting your account and entering the crane sipper, date, and time. You can view the desired tick chart by clicking on Show. By clicking on Download Terminal, you select the desired platform. In addition, you download the AMOL system. You select the desired platform by clicking on Investment and from Synchronous Trading. You will see your platform in this section as well as the active amount. By clicking on Connect Trader, you will enter the username of the desired trader and connect. By clicking on Become Trader and depositing $100, the Become Trader option will be activated for you. By clicking on Affiliate Tools, you enter the desired Affiliate Tools section. You will see your ID and your account, which you can withdraw by clicking on the Withdrawal button, which I will explain to you soon. By clicking on Transaction History, as we explained, you will see the history section of the transactions. By copying this link, you can share your referral code. In this section, you can see information about commissions in the affiliate program, and by clicking on this option, you can also view additional information. And this is the banner section, which you can access by clicking on the source group. You can choose the language and download the commentary theme for your account by clicking on Download Content. In the My Clients section, you can see information about commissions, and by clicking on this option, you can view additional information. And by clicking on this option that shows the date and selecting the desired date and applying it, you can access the desired clarinet that you are looking for. The next option is the Loyalty Program option, which is added to your account by depositing points by selecting the desired program. That by depositing $10,000 you will receive 900,000 points. By depositing $5,000 you will receive 500,000 points, and so on. In that section, you will have access to VIP and notifications. In the VIP section, you will see information about VIP, VIP Gold, and VIP Platinum accounts, which you can access by clicking on Fund My Account. You can select your account along with the desired network, and after depositing and charging your account, you will gain access to accounts like VIP Gold and VIP Platinum. You will gain access to your notifications, and by changing the settings, you can apply the desired configuration By clicking on this option, you will gain access to the support of TeleTrade. Friends, this was the tutorial on working with the TeleTrade Broker. Good luck!